Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Welcome back to Going Solo Diaries episode 9. Can you believe that? I literally can't believe it. If you have not watched the other episodes, what are you doing? I will have all the other episodes linked down below. You should really watch them, stay in order. Today is going to be something. I am leaving tomorrow to go back to Texas one last time before I say all my goodbyes, and then I'm coming back here. I decided I'm going to deep clean my whole house while my mom is here, just so that she can like oversee anything, tell me any spots that I missed. But yeah, I want to literally make this house squeaky clean so that when I come back for school to start and all that stuff, the only thing I'll have to worry about is starting freshman year of college and not still trying to get moved in, because I've been here for like a month, you guys, and we have done so much. Definitely couldn't have done it without all the help that I had. All 3 toilets on all 3 levels of this house need to be cleaned, I can tell you that. We had a house full of 3 boys, 4 girls, and I'm sure you can guess all 3 toilets were used. But without further ado, let's get into the video. If you've never cleaned a toilet before, well, now you're gonna know how. What you're gonna need to do, I'm gonna show you guys in depth this one, which is my bathroom, and the other ones I'll just like fast forward and whatnot. But basically what you're gonna need is this little guy. I got this on Amazon, 1 for each bathroom, so I've got 3 in my house. This guy is amazing. So in my closet, I have about 6 of these little sponge looking things. Well, these are attachments that go on the toilet cleaner. So I'm gonna take one out and we're going to stick it on this little wand. So it looks like that. Toilets are really freaking gross, but you probably already know that. So the first thing you wanna do is lift up the lid, and there is just gonna be goodness and glory all on it. First, you wanna take a wipe of some sort, clean all around. Not me just now realizing that this already had cleaner sponges. All the toilets, that was disgusting. Now I'm gonna do the kitchen sink, which looks a little different from the regular bathroom sink. So I'm gonna do this one first, quickly show you guys, and then I'm gonna show you how to make your bathroom sink look sparkling and dazzling. This is what my kitchen sink looks like right now. As you can tell, it looks so grody. I don't even know what all this is. Don't worry, we're gonna clean it. 3 things if you wanna make your kitchen sink look amazing. You're gonna need Clorox wipes, mineral oil. This is a little trick that I learned from my godparent, and then a rag. My Aunt Angie, who's my godparent, calls this massaging your sink. So here's what you do. I'm gonna wipe the sink with a Clorox wipe to get all of the grease out first.
And by the way, your kitchen sink is one of the dirtiest place in your house. So if you ever drop anything in the sink, let it go.
Don't eat it. That's how y'all really get COVID.
And the reason we have a disposal bag with all this because it's just nasty.
Nobody wants that with your food. Now I'm gonna put some mineral oil, which you can literally get this from Target. This is where I got mine from. I'm gonna put some on this cloth, and then I'm just gonna like massage my sink. and I love my bathroom, but the downside of having 2 sinks is I've got 2 sinks to clean. But that's okay, it does need to be cleaned because when Cassidy and Drew were also using my bathroom, it got pretty dirty and I still haven't gotten a chance to clean the sink. So for bathroom sinks, the best way to clean it is first start off by wiping it with Clorox wipes and then polishing it off with the magic eraser. So I'm just gonna do that really quick. It's pretty easy, but sometimes like toothpaste can leave rings around the drain part, which is really nasty and we do not want that. Next up is mirrors. I cleaned my windows with my dad and Drew whenever they were here like 2 weeks ago. They did the outside windows and I cleaned the inside, but I'm gonna be using the same thing, which is Windex, to clean all of the mirrors in my house. Okay, only 2 more things left to do for tonight. I'm doing the rest tomorrow because our flight isn't till like later in the afternoon. Also, I want to catch the last sunset while we're still here. Next up, we have sweeping. This broom is literally the best broom in the whole entire world. My mom and I swear by it, but you can't find it except for at the Vietnamese market. So this is an Asian broom. It's like designed so it's kind of angled. This is the best broom ever, hands down. Like, you just can't argue. I am going to sweep the floor and do all 3 levels. Just in this living room, this is how much dirt is in here. That is insane. Then I'm gonna vacuum all that up with my new favorite vacuum that Uva and Drew installed. Shout out to my Aunt April for buying this for me because this thing is magical. Once I finish this, I'm going to use my floor cleaner and clean my hardwood floors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bring that inside. All done. Now for the bottom 2 floors. It's even more important to clean out your bathroom. Look at how noticeable it is on the white. All right, all 3 floors are done. Now all I have to do is empty out this vacuum. One other tip that I forgot to say while I was doing my laundry is that if you don't want your washer to smell, make sure that when you're done doing a load, you leave the door open. Also, always clean out your dryer filter or else you can risk a fire starting. Okay, last step of the night, like I said, cleaning the hardwood floors. So this mop is from Bona. There's a microfiber cloth that goes at the end of it. And the cool thing is whenever you're done cleaning, you can literally just throw this guy in the washing machine. You can't dry it, but you can reuse it again. All right, if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. I'm so glad that you guys are here. Subscribe if you're not already. Like this video. Get hyped. I've got so many exciting things coming up and you're not gonna wanna miss out. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.